How to restore deleted messages on WhatsApp. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To restore your deleted messages on WhatsApp, launch your WhatsApp application. Tap on the three dot and go to Settings. From here, select the option of Chats. Right here, you will see the option of Chat Backup. Then select the backup bubble. Mind it will take a while depending upon your file size and your internet connection. Also note that it will only work if you are linked to your Google account already. Don't worry, I have an alternative way for you as well. You have to select on your account, then head to Request Account Info. Right here, tap on Request Account Report, and it will take at least of 3 days to be prepared. You can automatically select the option of Create Reports automatically so that you never miss any of your messages or deleted ones as well. Once your report is ready, you can tap Open it, and by luck you will see the section of your messages which may include your deleted message, which can be easily restored. Now if you do not have this option, the chances are your WhatsApp application is not up to date. In that case, open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for WhatsApp. Tap on the application, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.